you.
Look at it, like you.
Oh my goodness.
It's a box.
Your mom says you like boxes.
I went through that Target card out.
What?
I went through the Target card out.
Oh my god!
I didn't see it on the bag. No one told me.
I gave you 2 of them.
You didn't tell
You
him.
didn't tell me.
Hey, they're right
It
there.
didn't match the,
He didn't throw them out though. Isn't that a good thing?
Nice bag for you.
Look at yours.
Thank you.
You know what you got?
He didn't throw it out.
So
Calm
he's
down.
got both cards.
Yeah. Well,
You got your.
I put mine away in my purse already.
Please. Hey.
And where did you put your 2 cards?
in my wallet.
Ooh, I got a chair.
That's a lot of money, baby. You can't.
You like
lose
it?
Yeah.
You got your own.
That's a lot of money.
I don't know where I'm gonna put
Oh my god, I love her.
You gotta let somebody know. What?
What is that?
a chair.
Oh my god.
Chair I got. Wait, what's it?
Did you go, boy?
We thought you guys could be twinsies.
Yoo-hoo! But it stays here.
This is for us all.
Yeah, you can stay here with
You can leave it in my room.
Yay!
It folds up.
That is awesome.
Any more of me?
Wait, nothing for you. Those
Amy, this is for Corey.